A recruiter reads you one blended rate over the phone, and that's rarely the number that decides whether an assignment is worth taking. Housing stipends, per diems, guaranteed hours, and the state license fee all move independently, and the offer that sounds biggest on the call can land smallest in your account. This workbook pulls 4 travel assignments apart and puts them back together the way your bank statement actually reads. Enter each offer exactly as the contract states it. Base rate, weekly stipends, guaranteed hours, shift differentials, completion bonus, every line item entered separately, side by side for up to 4 assignments at once. Type in the GSA per diem figures for that assignment's city, and the workbook checks your quoted stipend against them. So you can see at a glance whether a housing number is generous, typical, or thin for where you'd actually be living. Every assignment costs something to take. Travel to get there, a new state license, scrubs and gear, parking, the extra rent while you keep a home base. 18 cost lines catch what the rate on the phone never mentioned. Then the workbook runs the whole package, pay, stipends, and costs together, down to a real weekly net. What's left in your account after this specific city, this specific contract, and your own travel back home. Before that net number means anything, there's one question underneath it. Do you have a qualifying tax home? 12 guided questions walk you through what that actually depends on, in plain language, without pretending to answer it for you. Answer it once, and one switch reprices every offer on the sheet at the same time. Taxable and non-taxable stipends recalculated together, so you're comparing 4 assignments under the same assumption instead of 4 different guesses. Contracts hide their real risk in the clauses, not the rate. 18 common clauses, cancellation notice, guaranteed hours language, floating requirements, and more. Get scored against each offer so a red flag shows up before you sign, not after. 3 downside scenarios. Model what happens if hours get cut, the contract ends early, or you have to decline shifts. Because the assignment that wins on paper should still hold up when the schedule doesn't cooperate. All of it rolls up into one ranking, offer by offer, with the margin between them spelled out. The biggest headline package can land third once housing, travel, and the license fee are actually counted. Once you're on assignment, the outcome log tracks what a contract actually paid against what it promised. 24 rows, so next time you're negotiating from your own record instead of your memory. It opens as a one-click native Google Sheets copy, no importing, no reformatting, and it works the same way in Excel and LibreOffice. One payment, and it's yours. No subscription, no login to lose. And a quick note, this workbook isn't tax or legal advice. It organizes the numbers and the questions, so your accountant or your agency's contract review has less digging to do. Own it, don't rent it. Carry it from assignment to assignment for as long as you're traveling.